son wanted it. After that, would I be the jerk if I lied to my wife about her Christmas gift? And after that, Kevin yells at hearing impaired employee for ignoring him. Now for every thumbs up this video gets, one Karen doesn't get anything for Christmas. Can't I at least get a gift card? So please smash that like button. And if you're new, subscribe and turn on notifications for new stories from Reddit every single day. Karen confronts me for buying our house when her son wanted it. Brief backstory. Back in March, I, 25 female, and my partner, 27 male, bought a house. Big deal for us, and we're so glad we managed to pull this off, especially right before lockdown got bad. It's a livable fixer-upper. The lady that lived here bought it in '67 and was the only owner before us, and she made no updates in that time. It keeps us busy, and that's worked out really well being home so often. Now to the event with Entitled Mom. In May, my big project was pulling out some nasty bushes that had taken over a huge chunk of the front side yard. It was hot, I was sweating. I'm digging out roots and throwing branches. As I'm right up front and making a pretty drastic change to our yard, people notice. Most people stop by, say a quick hello from the car, and drive away. But not Entitled Mom. Entitled Mom pulls up in a shiny black Suburban from the opposite side of the road, parks the wrong way, and rolls down her window. I'd say she's in her 50s or 60s. Gray/white bob cut hair. I stand up and pause my music. The following conversation isn't exact, but pretty close, as this conversation was just so entitled. Entitled Mom. Hey, did you buy this house? Me. Yep, just moved in last month. Did you know the family? Me. That sold it? Not really. We just got lucky they chose us, I guess. Trying to be nice, but kind of off-put, she's asked none of the typical neighbor questions. We made a great offer. Entitled Mom. Yeah, my son really wanted this house. He grew up in this neighborhood, you know. Me. Oh, darn. Yeah, houses move fast right now. He spent his whole life in this area. He really deserved to stay in the neighborhood, you know. Me. Yeah, that's too bad. Major what the heck feelings now. Entitled Mom. How much did you offer? Me. Not about to tell her details. Over asking price. We were proactive. Well, my son really wanted that house. Me. Feeling quite awkward with this whole situation and just looking to shoo this lady along. Yeah, well, I'm sure more houses will go up for sale around here. Well, that doesn't help him now, does it? He had his heart set on that house. I just exaggeratedly shrug and decide to resume my root cutting to try and give her the message. Entitled Mom. You're probably flipping it. He would have loved it. Me. No, we're not. We're staying long term. Yeah, right. She doesn't leave. I'm wondering if I should go inside or something. She just keeps looking at me, expecting me to say something. I keep cutting at her root. Entitled Mom. Is it just you, or did your family help you get it? Me, getting pretty short in tone. My partner and I bought it together. My grandkids would have loved the yard. A loved yard makes a house a home, you know. Me, not looking up. Well, my dogs will love it, especially once I'm done. Seriously? I just scoff, pull my root out, throw it on the pile. I feel her eyes watching me. Me, really ready to be done. Well, have a good day. Then with a last glare and an ugh, she speeds off, leaving a quite annoyed and bewildered me in the dirty glory, mulling over what the heck just happened. Did this lady just try to guilt trip me because we bought a house her son wanted? Indeed, apparently. What the heck? Definitely the most unwelcoming interaction I've had since we moved in, and I have not seen her since. Have you ever had someone try to guilt trip you over something they shouldn't have? If so, what was it? Please let us know. I'll guilt trip you right now if you forgot to smash that like button. Would I be the jerk if I lied to my wife about her Christmas gift? First, some important context. My lovely wife is always too hard on herself, even in regard to her relationship with our two kids, who are 5 and 3. She frequently tells me that she wishes she had the same kind of connection with them that I have. Now, I've always gotten along great with kids. It's fairly effortless for me to interact with them, engage their attention, and make them laugh. This goes for my own kids as well. I'm silly, weird, crazy, and they eat it right up. I'm their clown. My wife, although an exceedingly devoted and loving mother, is not as silly as I am, and so the kids tend to gravitate towards me when we're all together. This makes her feel like a loser, or like she isn't fun enough, or doesn't have as strong a connection with them as I do. I reassure her that their bond is just as strong and even more beautiful than the one I have.